Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. Today we're going to talk about the Camo black color Ringke Fusion X protective case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Before I get started, I did want to give a big thanks to Ringke for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when new videos are posted on my channel. So let's have a good look at it. So I like the design on this. Also, make sure you take this film off if you do purchase this case. There's a film on here that needs to come off on the inside before you apply your phone to it. So I'm going to go ahead and place the Note 10 Plus in it right now. Let's see here, so let's take a look at that lip. Has a nice lip on it. Okay. Buttons. Your cutouts. Nice and easy. Easy access to the S Pen. Your top cutouts. Feels good in the hand. And I should have took that film off, but in fact, let me do it real quick. Let me pause the video. So now you can have a better look at it. Really nice design on the back. I did want to point out these two holes here. So this is what they're calling the quick catch built-in lanyard holes. So you can install a lanyard to like your wrist strap or neck strap for better protection, or so you can have more security for it. It also has military drop protection as well, this case. It also has a good grip to it as well. So the way this bumper is designed with the ruggedness, it provides that extra grip, and it does feel good in the hand as well. So all in all, I do like this case. And let's take a look at the camera cutout. See how thick that is? So you shouldn't have any problems with your lens touching the surface if it's laying on its back. And again, at the screen, look at that lip. You should be able to lay your phone down just like this with no problems. There are also 3 other colors available. There's the all black bumper with the clear back, the red bumper with the clear back, and also the blue bumper with the clear back. And all of these cases are available on Amazon, and I have the links posted in the description, so please use those links as it truly helps me out. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.